So first of all, who all I know, Gaushika has done homework and Kavyan also has done homework. Who has not been doing homework first of all?
My dad said that he gonna connect to the message so he can do the homework.
No, so I'm just trying to understand who.
Technical difficulties.
Okay, I'll find out the solution for that. So, okay, so basically only two people have been able to do it. Now, I'm putting it on video. I'll ask your parents to watch this video, at least the first 5 minutes of the video, and get the message. The message is, the homeworks are non-negotiable. Everybody has to do homework, okay? And, huh? Huh? No, you said no. So no is not an option, okay? Everybody has to do the homework.
But my parents said that where's like the messaging time? My dad saying something.
I will there's a solution for that, okay? I'll find out solution. Problems people keep talking for long. That doesn't take us anywhere. So I will not I'm not interested in talking about the problem. I'll try to find a solution, okay? So the message here is that everybody has to do homework. After the class, when I'm putting them at homework, questions for homework, you guys have to ask your parents to get it printed out. If not, if you're facing any problem, ask your parents to let me know that, okay, my kid has not been able to do homework for whatever reason, okay? Then I'll find out a way, okay? Be it by sending a text message, be it by sending an email, whatever, right? But if you guys are not able to do homework, you should be concerned that, okay, let me ask my parents, if I'm not able to download it, is there a way I can get the questions again, okay? So we'll find it out. But
Did you send us homework after the end of every class?
yeah. So homework has to be done.
I didn't get homework on the first 2 weeks. Yeah.
We are fixing a lot of things.
That's why I remind my dad. He's like, okay, but the message not working, so it keeps.
Okay, so now from today, okay, I'm saying if you are not able to get a printout from your parents, find out what the problem is, ask them to reach out to me. I'll find out a way to send an email or whatever works, okay? But homework has to be done. Now, second thing is, every homework that you guys do, you have to show it to your parents, okay? That this is,
Signature?
yeah, you have to do the homework, explain to your parents, say, okay, this is what I've done. I don't give you guys a lot of homework. I give you homework for 15, 20, 30 minutes. And for that you have enough time, 1 week solid. It will only take 15 to 20 minutes for doing those homework, if you're doing it carefully, okay? So it has to be done, it has to be signed by your parents. And in the class, I will only say, okay, who has done homework? Show me a paper. Where is your dad's signature? Where is your mom's signature? That's it. Nothing more than that. So that we can spend more time on learning things than me doing the correction for everybody. Okay? Alright. So, what are the things that we are going to do today? I will tell you, you don't have to worry. First thing is tables. Second thing is, I saw homework done by Gaushika and done by Kavyan also, but I see that there's some more thing that is still not clear to you guys. I'll try explaining that, okay? For Shreya also, right? So Shreya was also saying that I probably didn't understand everything. She has not got a chance to watch the video. Now question to everybody, who has not watched the video after the class? Who has not got a chance to watch the video?
No.
You watched the video?
I watched like some of it.
Some of it.
I watched part when I was watching YouTube.
Okay. So some of it is not an entertainment video. It is for revision of what you learn in the class. So you can see we are doing 2 classes, right? So 50 minutes one class, 100 minutes in a week. Break it down into 7 days before the next class, right? So 10 to 15 minutes every day is what you have to spend. And again, in the class, like what I'm doing right now, this part you can skip. You don't have to spend time or use data for that part, okay? So only focus on where I'm teaching some concepts so that whatever is taught, you're able to revise it, okay? That is on the video. So homework, non-negotiable, watching video at least once, is minimum. Ask your parents. I know everybody is not having a phone, and you're not supposed to have a phone. You guys are very small. But when you're at home, find out the time how you are working it out to be able to watch the videos of the class. Okay. Now, first thing first, we will do tables. Then we'll try doing some of the sums, right? And just to make sure that everybody understood the concepts. And then we will learn something today. And that will be the basic shapes of geometry. We'll learn the properties of some of the basic shapes. We'll try learning them all. Maybe we'll be able to finish them all today. If not, the next class. And then we'll start using the different formulas for area calculation, for deriving perimeter, whatnot, okay? For all those shapes that we need to know. And trust me, these are things that is taught once, learned once, used for the rest of life. So you will see that some of the concepts that we learn now, they'll be used in the higher classes as well as in your SAT exams also. SAT exam is way too far for you guys, but still I'm saying that pay attention to what has been taught so that once you learn, you'll get that confidence that yes, once I grow up, it is going to be of use. Okay? Alright? So, tables. I'll ask two kids to come over, one by one. And remember, follow instructions so that we can effectively use time. I'll ask Shreya and Kavyan, come over. Come here, it's okay. Okay? We'll do tables for, can you guys see yourself in the camera? No? Okay. Is it better now? Okay. Here. Come here. Yeah. Okay. Now they will do table of 12 and we'll repeat with them. Okay. And if you don't remember, you'll do it with me. Okay. And when you're saying it, be it loud and clear. You don't have to shout, but you have to be loud. Or you have to be clear. 12 1 ja 12. 12 1 ja 12. Everybody. 12 1 ja 12. 12 2
are 24.
12 3
are 36. 12 4s are 48. 12 5s are 60. 12 7s are 72. Oh, yeah.
12 6 are
72.
12 6 are 72. 12 7 ja 12 7 ja 12 6 are 72. 12 7 ja 84. 12 8 ja Ask everybody. 12 8 ja
96.
Everybody has to sing the song. No exception for anybody. Okay. So we'll start from 12 6 ja, okay? But everybody. I want everybody to participate. No discount. Maya, you also.
12 6 are 72.
12 6 are 72.
12 7s are 84.
84.
12 8s are 96.
12 8 and 96.
12 9s are 108.
12 8 108.
12 10s are 120.
Good
12
job.
11s are 132.
Don't go that far. After 10 we'll stop. Good job, but very nice.
12 12 is 144.
Okay. Now 13. Who all are coming? I want Ishan. Ishan, come over. It's fine. We'll see. No.
He said he wanted to do it in the next 2 weeks.
But it's already 2 weeks.
Okay. I have decided. Ishan, come over. Ishan Gausika.
No, I decided to do it a week early.
No. Ishan Gausika, come over. And see, I'm here. I'm not going to put you under the bus. I'm here to help you, guide you, support you. That's fine.
I'll give you one hint. Square root of 144 is 12.
Okay.
That's not how.
Wait. Okay, again, table is the first thing we do. There are a lot of things to be done. Let's be sensitive about time. 13 is table, okay? 13 1 ja 13. Everybody. 13. 13 2 ja
26.
Now you know that.
13 threes are
39. So you guys also have to repeat it, okay? 13 3 ja 39.
13
4 ja 13 4 ja 52. 13 4 ja 52. Okay, so it will be like this. So I will say, they will say, then you have to say. So it will be 3 times. 13 4 ja 52.
13 4s are 52.
13 5 ja 65.
13 5 is 65.
13 5 is 65. 13 6 is 78.
13 6 is 78.
13 7 is 91.
13 7 is 91.
13 8 is 104.
13 8 is 104.
13 9 is 117.
13 9 is 117.
13 10 is 130.
13 10 is 130.
Okay, we're going? Okay, so nothing difficult, right? My job is to make it easy. So don't worry. If I ask you to come, you just come. Okay, good job. Okay, all right. So we did tables. Now let me do a quick check. Let me do a quick check. I have to check. 8 is 8 is 64. Very nice. 9 7 is
63.
okay. 12 4 is
48.
48. 13 9 is
117.
17. The time that you are taking to process and calculate, we have to minimize that. 12 9 is Arab.
108.
Okay, 108. 13 6 is
78.
we were just doing it. So I'm saying pay attention, and we are doing better than before, but we have to still do better. Okay. I see you guys are not spending time with tables. That 2 minute you did.
I was like,
Right, so see, okay, so when I say you guys, right, I'm addressing the whole class. Okay, no, I see that. I'm saying I am addressing, when I'm saying you guys, meaning I'm addressing the whole class, and I see opportunity for doing better. Okay, 12 6
72.
72. Okay, 13 8
104.
and 4. Okay, 13 5
Why are we not doing tables here?
okay, 9 8
72.
okay,
There's no tables.
6 4
24.
34. Okay, so see, I'll keep on doing these random
One
checks.
question.
No playing, no playing, no playing. Calm down. Okay, so I'll keep on doing random checks, and I want you guys to spend 2 minutes. Ishan will do that. So I'll ask you guys to spend 2 minutes with table every day. If you're not doing it, start doing it now. Okay? I don't see you doing it. No, see that's what. If I said 13 6, it has to be 78 instantaneously. And if it doesn't come that way, there is no hiding fact. You're not doing it. Okay? And it's okay to not do it. But denying what you don't do is not right. Okay, alright. So that is the table part of it. Now coming back to what we learned in the previous class. Okay? Let's pick up one of the sums. Okay? For one sum was somebody named Ram had $50.
I can't see.
You move your chair. You can move your chair. See, those things you can work out without interrupting the class. Okay? There's space here also. Just one person can move the chair here. It's okay. Alright? Okay. Kavyan, you can move. Arav, you can move. Okay? So one of the question was Ram has $50. Okay? He gave 50% of that. Okay? To his younger brother. How much money does he have? Okay. I am not interested in the answer. I see some people made mistake. Wait. I'll ask. See, when I have to ask, I'll ask. Okay? Okay? Bring it down. I know. See, I know you have solved it. There. Okay. So I'll give you guys chance to solve it also. But let me clarify the concept first. Any percent, forget about this sum. I don't want you guys to do one sum and be happy about it. I want to explain you the concept, and so that you can do hundreds of sums with similar concept. Okay. Any percent is per cent. Cent is a short form of century or 100. People who watch cricket, they know what is a century. Okay?
No, in years it does. 100 years.
100 years is also century. Yeah? So, per cent means per 100. Now, if somebody says, I'll give you 20% of whatever money I have, okay? That means if I have 100, I'll give you 20. 20 per 100, okay? That's what it means.
So like 20 of
100, 20 of 100, same thing. Now, so if I have 100, I'll give you 20. What if I have 50?
It's half.
It's half of that,
What now?
right? So it'll be 10. If I have 200, how much I will give you?
100.
It'll be probably 40. Yeah? How? That how is what we are trying to figure out. How do we get to that formula? So any percent, let's say X percent, okay, means X percent of, let's say something, 100, means X in 100. Or if I have 100, I'm giving X. If I have 50, I'm giving X by 100 into 50. Okay? If I have 200, I'm giving X by 100 into 200. Confused? Yeah? Confused, right? Okay, let's forget about X. 20%, 20 per 100, okay? Is this okay? 40%, 40 out of 100, fine? 50%, 50 out of 100. This is okay? This is okay? Everybody? So, read math as English. 20% of 50. 20% of 50. Now tell me how much it is. You guys know, right? You can do it. Tic-tac-toe you'll do. 1 0 1 0 gone here. 1 0 1 0 gone here. 2 into 5. 10.
That was my answer. No, that was the leftovers.
Yeah. No. So I know this is easy for you guys. I'm just emphasizing on the concept again, right? Any percentage of some number. I have $600. I'll give you 30% of that. So let's say 30% of is multiplication, right? Of 600. Do whatever you want to do with this. You have the answer. Okay? 30%. 30 per. We always write $5 per day. This is how we write it. This is another way of writing it. So that per is division. So 30%, 30%, 100 of whatever. Now let's look at the question that we had. I have emphasized on that percent so many times, right? Now the question was, Ram has $50. He gave 50% of that to his brother. How much he is left with? So he had $50. He gave 50% of that to his brother. So 50% of whatever he had
It equals 2.
to his brother. So what his brother got was this. Okay? His brother got 50% of 50. Pay attention here, everybody, okay? Myra,
It's fixing my jacket.
okay? 50% of 50, okay? Now you know the calculation, you guys know it, right? Tic-tac-toe. This 0 gone, this 0 gone. So this is 25. If you don't know why I'm doing this, you can also do it in a simpler way. Like how the kids can do 50% of 50.
50 times 50.
50 times 50 divided by 10 times 10. Now this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 is gone.
5 times
If
5.
okay, if this is also complicated, you can say 50 I will write as 50 into 10 into, it is 50 is 5 into 10 by 10 into 10. So this 0, this 10 gone. Now I have 5 into 5. Okay, simple. So how much his brother got? 50% of 50 becomes 25. So he gave 25. So he had 50. He gave 25 to his brother. What is he left with? 50 minus this number? Clear? Okay? Okay. So, okay, let's not make fun of a sum. My question to you guys is, did you understand what I did?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So, tomorrow, if I just, kind of mess with this sum, give a different sum altogether, would you be able to solve?
Yeah.
So, okay, now, okay, I'll just put a question here and just see your confidence. I'll not ask anybody to come and solve it, but if you guys feel confident that yes, this can be done, we'll move on to the next one. So, I have $1,000, okay? 20% of that money I used for buying a microwave, okay? Remaining other 30% I used for buying a, let's say, vacuum cleaner, okay? 20% I used for buying a pair of shoes.
Nike kicks.
Okay. Okay. How much money I am left with? Okay. So let's hear Ishan. I'll give you a chance. No.
80%.
Huh?
80. You mean dollars? 70%.
It's only a discussion between me and Ishan right now. Okay. You said how much?
70%.
How much money he is left with?
Oh,
I had.
$300.
I'm left with $300. Okay. So now Ishan has given an answer. Let me hear who is quiet. No. So I'll come to you. So Goshika, do you know how he would have calculated that? No. Don't have to be. Okay. No, I'll come to that. Okay. So Goshika says, Kavyan, do you know how? I'll come to you. Do you know why Ishan said that he's left with 30%? You said 30% or $300?
30%.
So you said that. Okay, 30%. Okay.
He added 20, 30, and
20
20,
uh-huh.
and then you subtract.
From 100. Okay, that's a good answer. No. We're talking about 30%, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So you said he added 20, 30, 20, that made 70%. He subtracted that from 100. Yeah? That's what you said? Okay. So anything can add up to only 100%, cannot go beyond that. Okay? I have whatever number I have. Let's say I have $10 today. I want to buy a cup of coffee. So total amount is either $10 or 100% of that. Okay? That is full. Now, okay, so Ishan told 30% is what he is left with. Kavya also explained that. Okay, so you are saying 300. How did you arrive at 300?
Because if it was 70%, then you would take like the hundreds was each 10. So then 700 would gone away, and then you were left with $300.
Okay, so you said something which is convincing enough, but I will further simplify it for everybody. Okay, Arav, if you have to explain this to me, how would you approach that?
It'd be good because here I'm adding the percentage. That's what he described. And then so yeah.
Okay. Okay. So they are. Okay.
And then
So-
I equals
Okay. Now I heard a lot of things. Myra, let me go to Shreya. So Shreya, did you understand what the question is? Okay. So let me read it one more time. So this is the thing. Any math, okay? Whenever you see a question, read it over and over and over again, 2-3 times. Then you'll feel comfortable. Arav, straight. Okay? So, whenever, Ishan, straight. Whenever you see a sum, read it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Okay, that will make you familiar with the math. Shreya, you are with me? Yeah? Read the question multiple times. Let's see if I said something and I did not say it clearly, you can ask. Sir, I did not understand this one. Okay, I'll explain that to you one more time. So when you read that question multiple times, you will become comfortable. Here I said, I have $1,000. 20% of that I used for buying microwave. 30% of that I used for buying a vacuum cleaner. Other 20% I used for buying a pair of shoes. How much money I'm left with? Okay. Now, whatever I have is 100% of what I have. Okay. I have 1,000, meaning that is 100%. So total 100%. I use 20% here, 20% here, 20% here. So one way, like what Ishan and Kavyan explained is, whatever I have, I use 20% of that plus 30% for this guy, for plus 20% for this guy. So total 70%. So far I have consumed 70% of whatever I had. Okay. What I'm left with is, always I had, whatever I had was 100%, I have spent 70% of that. So what I'm left with is 30%. So that's what Ishan and Kavyan explained. There's another way of doing it. I can also say, okay, I know,
Is this highway?
doesn't matter. I don't have a way. I learn a new way every time I talk to you guys, right?
Did I teach this one? Did I say this one?
Maybe, may not be. It's okay. Let's not spend time on proving somebody right or wrong. Knowing the right thing is more important. Okay. Now, second way is, I know 20% of something. 20% of something is this way. Calculate this way. Okay.
20, wait, can you also like simplify the sum? Like make it 1/5 times like that?
No need. No need. That is part of your calculation that you will practice. I will not spend my time for simplifying that here. Okay. I'm here for teaching you as a process. If I tell you, okay, 100 can be written as 2 into 50, it can also be written as 4 into 25, it can also be written by 10 into 10. I'll be wasting your time, everybody's time, right? So that is what I'm leaving for you guys to practice. That is why I'm giving you guys homework. Do that, you'll be able to practice. All right. So what I was saying was, the 20% I used for buying something, 30% I used for buying something else, 20% I used for buying something else. What I'm left with. So you derive the percentage, how much percentage is used, what is remaining. 30% you. Yep.
Are you supposed to add all those?
So that's see. Okay. Okay. So don't go by what I say. Understand what is that you're trying to do. You have some money, you have spent for buying one thing, then buying another thing, then buying another thing. How much you're left with? So whatever total money you had minus sum of everything that you have spent is what we are trying to find out. Okay. So let's say if I have this, I let's say spent 100 for something, 200 for something else, and 100 for something else. What I am left with? How will I calculate? 1000 minus what all I spent. 100 plus 200 plus 100. So this is the addition part. You're adding all that you have spent. Okay.
Why do we just add it?
You can either subtract one by one. That is one way. So okay. One last time. Okay. So if I have 10, I spent something for $2, $3 for something else, and $1 for something else. How you will find out how much you are left with? You will subtract. Okay, when I bought $2 or something for $2, I spent that. I have $8 now. If I spent $3 more, so I spent 3 out of 8. I'm left with $5. Then I spent one more dollar, so I spent 1 out of 5. I'm left with 4. That is one way of doing it. Okay. Now, second way is you will say, let me add all that I have spent. So 2 plus 3 plus 1. So I spent $6. So I had 10, I spent 6, I am left with 4. Okay, so there are two ways. Every sum that you try doing, you have to, Myra, no play, Tavian, no play. Every sum, eh, say here, every sum that you are doing, first you think what is that you are trying to achieve, and then you will find out a way. Okay, so like for the percentage thing, right? I was telling that okay, you find out the percentage and see what is the remaining percentage, and then okay. So here in this case, right? Let me complete this sum before I get diverted. So for the previous sum, right? 70% of the money was spent for buying vacuum cleaner, buying the shoe, and for the third thing, right? So that means 30% is left. What was the total money here? 1,000. So this is remaining. So how much is remaining? 30% of 1,000 is remaining. And then you will do the calculation here. Okay? So this will become 10 into 10 into 10, and this will become 10 into 10. So here you have 3 tens, here you have 2 tens. This 10, this 10, this 10, this 10. Tick tock toe. So 30 into 10. Your answer is 300, which many of you told, right? So you calculate the percentage remaining, and that percentage translates to how much. That is one way. Or you can say, okay, I had 1,000. I spent 20% for something. Okay, so 20% is 20% of 1,000 I spent. So I spent 200. Okay, so out of 1,000, 200 is gone. Then I spent 30%. So I spent 30% of 1,000 for something else. So this becomes 300. So first 200 was gone. Now 300 more is gone. So first I had 1,000, 200 gone, 800 minus 300, 500, right? So you can do that in multiple ways. What I'm saying is, only thing you have to know is how to find out the percentage of any number in this kind of sum. Okay, somebody says I have 5,000. Find out what is 20% of 5,000. So you will say 5,000, 20% of 5,000. Now you do the calculation. I'm not really interested here. I'm interested in telling you how to do that, how to arrive at that calculation. Okay, how you will do it? You guys have to become a champion by doing homework. Okay. Now, so this is percentage part of it. I think we spent enough time on percentage. Are you clear now? Kind of. Do some sums. Okay. See, there'll be some concepts that you'll understand once, you'll forget. You will again learn it, you'll forget. You'll practice it once, you might go wrong. Do it second time, third time, fourth time, you'll become a champion. So that is why homework is very important. And when you do the sum, right, show it to your parents, explain to them. And if you're not able to explain, that means you did not learn it well. Then try doing 1 or 2 more sums, different sums, and see if that helps. Okay? Yeah.
What if you can calculate it well but not explain it well?
You have to find out a way. If you're not able to explain, then you will put that question for me, saying, okay, I'm not able to explain. Guide me how to do it. Okay? So, okay, everybody stable, firm, straight. Okay? We are not in a park. Or straight. You also. No. Now I'm being serious. At the time of study, I'm very serious. Okay? Otherwise, I can be as much fun-loving as possible. Now, you guys also did Ishan. Straight. You guys also learned this factor thing. Who doesn't remember this? Who doesn't know how to do it? You don't know how to do it?
You
Why?
weren't here for the class.
You were not there in the class?
Oh, I was there.
He was there.
It's very easy. See.
Oh, okay. Let the teacher do.
Can I do it in the board?
No, I will not let you guys do that, because you guys will go all over the place. He will again come to the next class, say I don't know. Okay, so let me do my job.
Possibly like equivalent fractions. See, 2 by 4 is equivalent to 1 by 4. So you can use that to make it 5 by 4.
I know you know that. See, my job here is to make sure everybody learns, right? So I can read who knows, who has learned, who has not learned. So that's why I'm giving more chances to people who have some doubt. Okay, and that doesn't mean somebody who has learned I don't give them value. I give a lot of value to people who learn. Okay, so don't worry about that. Now, who doesn't remember how to do LCM?
I know how to do LCM.
Let's stay focused. I'm talking LCM. You are talking LCM. Is that needed?
LCM.
That's what I'm saying. If I'm saying LCM, why would a response come for SCM? No, that is waste of time. Let's not do that. Who doesn't know how to do LCM? You don't know how to do LCM?
What is LCM?
LCM stands for least common multiple.
Or lowest. So like
Lowest common multiple.
You have to put like numbers.
Okay. I will do it here quickly. 5 minutes here. I need 5 minutes of your attention here. No distraction, no crosstalk. If I have to find out LCM of 2, 3 and 4, 2, 4 and 3, whatever it is, okay? Remember, LCM means lowest common multiple, meaning the smallest number that, please, I don't want you guys to do talking in parallel, okay? That is distraction. Don't do that. When I say LCM, it means lowest common multiple. Okay, Ishan, Shreya, okay? Let me know if, or Shreya, if you're not able to see it, go to Goshika. Go close to Goshika. It'll be easy for you to see it. For I want Ishan, Shreya, and Kavyan. You are clear about LCM? Yeah. Okay. So, if you are clear, wonderful. If not, pay attention. If you are talking about LCM of Ishan here, okay? Full attention, okay? What happened? Okay. Yeah, so just pay attention. If you say LCM is always with a group of numbers. What LCM means is LCM, lowest common multiple, meaning the smallest number that can be divided by this, and this. Okay? It might look complicated, it's very easy. How to do it? Okay? You have to do division till everything becomes 1, 1, 1. Okay? Here. How is what we'll do. First thing what you do is pick up the smallest of the numbers you have. 2, 4 and 3. Which one is smallest? 2. So pick 2. Okay? I'll use 2 as my number to divide. 2 1s are 2. I'll write 1. This guy is gone. Okay? 2 2s are 4. 4 is also 2 now.
1.5. What?
You know why you're saying that is not needed, right?
I mean,
Let's not do that. No. Smartness is good when it helps. We'll never use 1.5 for doing LCM, right? Let's not talk about that. 3 remains 3. Yeah? Clear? Now, this guy is gone. We'll not deal with this.
Yeah.
What is the smallest number now? 2. We'll use 2. So 1 here. 2 1s are 2. 3 doesn't come in the table of 2, so I'll write 3 as is. Okay? These two are gone. Now the smallest is 3 except 1. So 1, 3 1s are 3. This is our desired state. Once you get this, you have to just multiply this, whatever you have here. It's 12. Now, this 12 comes as the LCM of these 3 numbers, meaning this is the smallest number that can be divided by 2, 3 and 4. This is the LCM. Clear? Always pick the smallest in the group, then start dividing with that number. Okay? That's what you'll do. Fine? Clear? So this is the LCM. So LCM of 2, 3 and 4 is 2 into 2 into 3. This is one very small, boring thing that you have to learn once and for good. Ishan, clear? Yeah. If I ask you to do LCM for 2, 3, 8, 4, would you be able to do it?
Yeah.
Can I do it?
No. You know it. So I don't want to waste your time by teaching something that you already know. I'm trying to make sure that this gentleman doesn't come to me saying I don't know LCM. Will you be able to do it? Huh?
I got it. I I got the number.
No, so Ishan, no, see, once you go out of this class, you'll say, okay, I have learned LCM. That'll be a message to your dad, right? So now my question to you is, are you clear how to do it? No? Come here, we'll do it together. Come. No. I teach him. You guys are getting emotional unnecessarily. What is the smallest number here? 2. I'll use 2. So, use the pen. What will you do here? 2 1 are 2. So write 2 1 here. No.
I might.
You will write in the table of 2, starting with 2. 2 1 are 2. So you'll write 1 here.
You divide it.
You divide it basically. Okay? Then whatever you cannot do, you will leave it as is. Does 3 come in the table of 2? No. You'll write 3 as is. Does 8 come in the table of 2?
Yes.
How many times?
4.
You'll write 4. Does 4 come in the table of 2?
Yes.
How many times?
2.
You'll write 2. Okay? So what you want to do is everything becomes 1. You still don't have 1 everywhere, right? Now leave 1. What is the next smallest number? Still 2?
Yeah.
2. 1 you leave. Does 3 come again in the table of 2? No. So you'll write 3. Does 4 come?
Yes.
You'll say 2 to the 4. Does 2 come again? 2 1 are 2. Okay? So these 2 numbers are gone. Now you have only these 2. Now the smallest number again 2. 1, 3. This will become 2 1 are 2. 1 remains. Okay? Now we have next one 3. This 1. This becomes 3 1 are 3. 1 1. So you have 2 2 2 and 3. So 2 2 2 and 3. Multiply them. Becomes what?
24.
24. Yeah. So if 24. So if somebody gives you anything like this is the most boring math
Yeah.
that you have to learn. Okay? So this is the most boring math. You don't have to learn new things. It'll never get complicated. Okay? So and LCM is very much important for doing the sum and addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay? Clear? Clear now?
Yeah.
I don't want to hear that I don't know LCM.
I don't know
And-
LCM.
Me too.
So that means you'll have to watch this video 5 times at home. Okay? That's the homework.
Kidding.
Yeah. That's how you'll do it. Alright. So just come back to the... Okay, let's come back to the class. So whatever sums, everybody here, Arav, Kavyan, Advik, everybody. So are you clear about LCM?
This fellow?
Yeah?
I see.
Keep it back, that is not... this is what I don't like. That goes here, okay? So during the class, I don't want even 2 seconds of distraction, okay? Now, everybody here. So, LCM, clear? Everybody clear? Now, when you have to do a sum like this, meaning you have to add fractions, what you have to do is, first do the LCM of the, you have to do the LCM of the denominators, okay? So what you will do is, find out the LCM of the denominators. You have 2 and 2, okay? What is the LCM of that?
1.
What one?
It's 2.
2, yeah. So yeah, you'll say 2. That's what I said. I heard 1. I was surprised.
If it's just common, you could just put
So it's 2. And then how do you sum them? Divide 2 by 2. It's 1.
Yeah, that's what.
And then multiply that with what you have in the numerator.
The most simplest
One.
way is to just time like
Most just put 2.
Let's learn the most laborious way, okay? Because this method will be the same. Whatever changes, the method will be the same. Now, again divide this 2 by this denominator. 2 1 are 2, so you'll write 1. And then you multiply that with what you have in the numerator, that is 3. So it becomes 1 into 1, 1, plus 1 into 3, 3 divided by 2. This is 4 by 2.
Oh, you put in 2 more numbers.
So my question to Shreya and Ishan, are you clear about how we are doing it?
yes.
First thing is, take out the denominators, do the LCM for that, put that in denominator, and then divide this, whatever you have got as LCM, with this number first denominator. Whatever comes as the answer, multiply that with the numerator. Plus, same thing you'll repeat. If you have a minus here, let's say 1 by 7. Okay. If I mean, my LCM is already derived, right? So, if I have a minus 1 by 2, I'll do the same thing. I'll just put a minus, and 2 divided by 2 is 1 into numerator 1. So, it's 1 to 1 plus 1 into 3 minus this. So be it summation or subtraction, is the same thing. Now, we were supposed to learn new thing. We kind of got stuck with this. Now, whoever has not understood fraction, addition, subtraction or LCM, I would request you guys to watch this video once, twice, thrice, whatever it takes.
Couple, quadri,
5 times, 10 times, whatever it is your, see, you guys have to know your time is precious, okay? You have only 24 hours in a day, some hours to sleep, some hours to eat, some hours to play, and then to school. How you will waste or use that time is for you to decide,
30
okay?
days a month, 12 months in a year, and 100 years.
See, you are wasting time right now. Yeah?
He just used
Okay, now coming back to the class. So, I want everybody to finish that homework, and I would want to see that homework tomorrow, in tomorrow's class.
What's the homework?
That, the previous class is homework.
Can you
What was the previous class
I don't
homework?
think I can finish it.
It takes 10 minutes if you sit down.
Can you still tell my dad how to? Because he said there's another one.
I will. Okay? Yes, sir.
I have it done. I have it done.
I sent, so basically there's a group of Telegram
Oh, yeah,
group.
Telegram is what my dad said. The
Yeah.
down.
So, yeah, I'm sorry?
Do you have to print it?
Yes. You can write, so your dad is there in Telegram. So, sit down. So, ask your dad to either show it to you or take a printout and then you do the sum, or you just note it down from your dad's phone and do the sum. Okay? Try doing it. You will maybe be able to do it. You may not be able to do it. That's okay.
Can you print out on Telegram?
You can download from Telegram onto your phone and then fire print.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so everybody clear, right? I want that homework to be done tomorrow. Now, I know Goshika had some doubt. You also had a doubt. I want, okay, in that sum, I want you to try doing it this time and bring that thing tomorrow. Tomorrow, I believe there's no any doubt now. If there's still a doubt, it's okay to have doubt, I'll fix it. But in tomorrow's class, we want to do something with geometry, which we could not do today.
We can do geometry dash.
Bro, geometry that's from scratch. Let's go.
He means the other geometry.
So you could just draw
So, what is that your parents told you? We are here for learning maths.
geometry dash.
Yeah,
Bro,
that's
What is that?
A geometry dash.
I'll be the music.
A game like
Yeah.
but it doesn't have. Yeah.
So don't get excited. I'll not let you guys play for 1 hour on weekends. This is for learning something,
Wait,
okay?
could we actually play games?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Calm down. This 1 hour, wait. This 1 hour is very serious for me. It has to be equally serious for you guys. So in geometry, no parallel talks, no cross talks, no gossip.
I have a question. Gossip?
Yeah.
Are we gonna do area and perimeter?
Yes, we will.
I'm
Not
gonna do circumference.
Not tomorrow. I'll first make sure that you guys understand Ishan and Advik. Last warning. Don't do it. So, wait, let me complete. Then you ask questions.
Because I have a cheat sheet here.
Okay, so,
Is geometry
yeah.
part of geometry?
So, if I tell you something, if you have a doubt, then you will ask. If you only ask doubt, what will I tell you? Yeah? So, geometry will, Ishan, attention here, beta. One hour of yours I need for this class, okay? Full attention. Now, when we talk about geometry, we'll talk about something called this, a line. Something called this without an arrow, line segment. We'll talk about triangle and different types of triangles. Okay. We'll talk about quadrilaterals and different types of quadrilaterals. Okay. So that's one. Okay. We'll learn about polygons. Polygons meaning
More than
more than two sides.
Yeah.
It can't be like
a closed
a line.
Yeah.
Okay.
It should
Okay. We'll learn about them.
And
Then we'll also learn about the property of these shapes. Because if you know the property, you can deal with them. If you don't know the property, it just remains a shape for you. Alright? So that is where we'll end the class for
What
today.
about